Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to step back in time when plasma TVs were king, and were seen as a status symbol when they first hit the market due to their prestige and the high cost of owning one. But over time, pricing dropped dramatically to the point where they became affordable to the masses. That is when I was able to step into the plasma game and purchase my first plasma TV, which was a 50-inch model made by Samsung. That was an excellent performing TV which I no longer have and can't remember the model number or the year I purchased it. In 2012 I purchased my second plasma TV, which brings me to the topic of this video. It was a Panasonic ST30, which became my main TV in our family room at that time. It was a 65-inch model that was part of Panasonic's entry-level lineup. During that time, Panasonic offered some of the best TVs on the market, which also included the GT30 and VT30 that provided even better picture quality than the ST30. But, of course, you had to pay a higher premium for that next level of enhanced performance, which I wasn't willing to pay. That being said, the Panasonic ST30 delivered excellent picture quality, considering the standards of the time. Plasmas were known for their great contrast, deep black levels and natural-looking images, and vibrant color rendering. Their main drawback, however, was screen burn-in and image retention. After a great run as king of picture quality, the manufacturing of plasma TVs in the US came to an end in 2014, as consumers continued the switch to LCD TVs, which became the dominant technology in 2007, although during that time, plasma TVs had superior picture quality. Nevertheless, LCD TVs gained popularity due to their lower cost, brighter picture images, thinner designs, and energy efficiency. Okay, enough of the history lesson and back to Panasonic's ST30. I'm still rocking this TV in my bedroom, and don't plan on getting rid of it anytime soon. I still enjoy its picture quality, and appreciate the attributes that plasma TVs have to offer, which are similar to OLED TVs. It comes as no surprise that today's LED LCD TVs outperform plasmas, which is very evident when compared to my current high-end LED LCD TV. Plasma TVs are long gone, but their nostalgia lives on. So, this brings me to the question, how many of you are still rocking a plasma TV? Please leave your comments. Thanks for watching.